TESDA is here for one big reason: to provide the Filipinos relevant, accessible, high quality, and efficient technical education and skills development responsive to and in accordance with Philippine development goals and priorities. We need to upgrade the skills and competencies of the middle level workforce because they help and contribute in the rebuilding of our economy. And to effectively do this, we need the support and cooperation of the private sector.
For decades, the Technical Education and Skills Development Authority, or TESDA, has been partnering with private companies to bridge the skills gap and remedy the skills mismatch in the Filipino workforce. This is achieved through the success of the different enterprise-based training programs under the Technical Vocational Education and Training System. Now, we are ready to do more.
EVT to the Max is a plan which aim to maximize the implementations of EVT programs. Mas maganda kasi ito eh. We can actually help our industry and at the same time our learners. We really have to pursue and be aggressive and intensify the promotions and marketing of EVT programs.
One of the most successful training systems is apprenticeship, where trainees get theoretical and practical training on the job in highly technical industries for a minimum of 3 months and a maximum of 6.
Kasi pag skilled talaga na mga candidate, hindi mo sila basta-basta nahanap kasi hindi yan natuturo sa university, sa colleges. Nagigain yan through experience. Mas maganda na i-train namin to, gagastos kami dito, and later on naman, ma-establish din namin yung standard na gusto namin. The greatest impact is the quality. Tumaas yung quality namin. Bakit tumaas? Dahil kasi the production personnel was trained inside. Homegrown talaga siya. Namomold yung skilled ng empleyado. And yung standard namin, yung Pinoy-made, nakakapag-compete kami internationally. Kasi nga, homegrown sila eh. Once na tumaas yung quality, maraming kliyente, maraming bumibili. And then, yung trust and confidence ng mamimili. And then, may quality pala itong Philippine-made.
Apprentices who do well in their training may be absorbed by the company as regular employees.
Nag-apply po ako sa TESDA as EPAS po, Electronic Production Assembly. Yung line supervisor po namin doon sa linkage, sila po yung nagtuturo sa amin. Very challenging po siya kasi hindi mo po alam kung paano po humawak ng mga matik, kung paano po yung tamang proseso ng pagkabit ng mga wiring, kung paano po yung sa motor. Na-overcome ko siya kasi na-encourage nila kami na kaya namin gawin yung isang product na yun. Hindi ko po ina-expect na ma-observe po ako ng company. Sobrang tuwa ko kasi at least hindi na ako maghahanap, hindi na ako mag-apply ng ibang trabaho, tapos hindi na rin ako magpipila na kukuha ng panibagong requirements. So, masaya ako ngayon kasi may trabaho na ako.
A similar training system is learnership, a shorter version of apprenticeship where trainees get practical on-the-job training for a maximum of 3 months.
Just like the apprenticeship program, only companies with TESDA-approved and registered learnership programs can hire learners. Let's say, for example, under tourism, under IT BPOs, welding, constructions, that immediately yung mga companies na partners natin ay talagang kailangan sila. So, within 3 months, hinahire na ang ating mga learners. Parehong nagbe-benefits both the companies and the learners. Because habang sila ay nag-aaral at nagkakaroon sila ng kaalaman, kakayahan, meron na rin silang kabuhayan because the companies are giving them at least minimum of 75% of the minimum wage.
TESDA's EBT program and its different training systems are built to meet the demand of the economy for a competent workforce. Through strong partnerships with the private sector, we can increase productivity and competitiveness in the economy and transform the capabilities of our all-important human resources.